of all, welcome to Sri Lanka, everyone. And in our language, we call Ayubowan, which means may you live long or long life. That is our way of greeting in Sri Lanka. What we are going to do today, we are going to visit the tea plantation and the tea factory today. Ceylon tea is known as the best tea in the world.
Okay, so we're at the tea factory, and I have the chairman of the tea factory in front of me, and he's going to tell us a little bit about his company.
Hello, I'm Athukorala, chairman of Athukorala Group Private Limited. Actually, I'm very happy to visiting our tea factory. It's a Ceylon tea, and we have a tea garden and a tea factory. Welcome, especially USA people and all the other country people. Everybody welcome.
And we have 7 tea growing areas: Kandy, Uva, Ruhuna, Udupusallawa, Nuvareliya, Dimbulan, Sabaragam. This region, Ruhuna region, we are in here. This is our factory, Athukorala Tea Factory. This is starting point.
Oh, I see. I understand now. I'm like here.
We harvest actually immature tea leaves.
Yeah.
Immature leaves.
Yeah, the young one.
Yeah, young one. Yeah.
The young one.
Young shoot.
And then the other ones just stay.
Yeah, it is a mother leaf. They we don't harvest.
Oh.
Only young one.
Perfect. Okay, guys, we're going in the tea factory, and in order to do that, we had to put a hairnet on, a mask, and I got slippers.
This section reduce moisture of that leaf. That is called withering process. Okay. It is taken 10 hours to 12 hours.
Yeah, I understand, like 45% of moisture they are removing from the this weathering process.
Yes, how much?
Yeah.
Yeah, you lose weight.
And this oxidation process is taken 1.5 hours. 1.5 hours.
Okay, we're now in the drying room, and it is, I don't know how much humidity, but it is freaking hot. It's like being in a sauna. Do you have to do the?
Yeah, I do have.
The camera going on.
There's a
Okay,
towel,
how do you do that?
maybe 30 minutes.
Oh my God!
It used to be a